Hi there, David here and welcome aboard Wild Goose Adventures. Now these last couple of months I've been settling into my new home, been just trying to get organised. I recently did a trip out to Lake Sinclair, a freshwater lake on the base of the Great Dividing Range, and how magnificent that was. So today I'm going to head out to Port Stephens and Fingal Bay in particular. The reports there that the foiling is fantastic, so I've left the bike at home. We're out here to check it out. So let's see what it has to offer. Let's sheet on. Well, here I am, Fingal Bay, and what a beautiful, beautiful spot. The water's glassy, there's no wind in it at all, and I think I'm going to go and sheet on, get in the water. So my first little foil from Fingal Bay, it is absolutely magic. People were just telling me they were paddling, there's dolphins just out there. Don't know if I'm going to get there, but let's sheet on and have a go.
Spinning round and round, feeling like I'm sky up above. And I don't wanna ever come down. We fall off the tracks and we'll find our way back, leaving us, we'll make it, I know, on this roller coaster of love.
You know, three things happened this morning that really took me back about this place. First of all was just the water and how beautiful it was. The second was, as I was coming in, a couple of guys were here to get an elderly guy and help him with his crutches down onto the beach so that he could just have a walk on the beach, and the three of them just casually walked on the beach. And the third thing was, as I was coming out, I noticed that a lady on one of the waterfront properties just came over with a big plate of food, and she gave it to her neighbour and just was giving her the food. Now I'm not sure why, but it just seemed like it was really social and really kind, and that was how it was taken. So this place it's more than the place, it's the vibe of what seems to be going on and how everyone's interacting that has attracted me so much. Inspired to look around, I headed down the road to Shoal Bay on the Port Stephens side of the bay. Well, sitting in Shoal Bay, it's obviously where all the tourists come. It's much busier than Fingal Bay, and there's a lot happening, including coffee shops. Least I could do is stop here, have a coffee overlooking the water. Fingal Bay was charming, but alas, it was time for me to head home. The light sea breeze built, and back at the lake I snuck in for a quick boom. Hope you enjoyed my dabble with this beautiful area. Please keep an eye out as I explore some more. As always with Wild Youth Adventures, smooth sailing.